Satin Dollz with a Z, and we are very happy and honored to present to you the National Anthem. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. Happy 4th of July, everyone, and enjoy the Queen Mary. Thank you very much.
Greetings, everyone, and welcome to the Queen Mary. My name is Commodore Everette Hoard. I serve as Senior Captain of the Queen Mary, and we want to say welcome to this event, and may I say what a privilege it is to be with all of you today to celebrate the 240th birthday of the United States of America. This year at the Queen Mary is even more special for all of us because this great ship has just celebrated 80 magnificent years since her maiden voyage in May of 1936. Now, the Queen Mary was built and operated for the Cunard Line, who is still in business today after 176 glorious years. This remarkable ship and her earlier sisters have played a significant role in weaving the very fabric that is the tapestry of the United States. Between 1840 and 1923, 1 out of every 4 immigrants that came to America came in a ship of the Cunard Line. The ship was conceived for peaceful travel between the old and new worlds. But she would be called upon to defend freedom and peace by delivering some 810,000 military personnel, fighting men and women, to the European battlefronts in the Second World War. She still holds the world's record for more human beings ever transported in a single ship on an ocean voyage in the history of mankind and the sea. In July of 1943, the Queen Mary carried 16,683 souls to Europe to fight and defend freedom. After 31 years at sea, in war and peace, and in fair weather and foul, this beautiful ship would come to Southern California and become the icon of our city that she is today. The Queen Mary is now our Big Ben, our Eiffel Tower, our Statue of Liberty. Now, we have a lot planned for you today. And of course, the grand finale will be our signature 4th of July fireworks display this evening around 9 o'clock. But today, as we go about our day, please let us remember that our freedom and peace is a gift, but by no means was it free. It is paid for and given to us by those brave men and women serving in our armed forces, willing to sacrifice their lives so that others may live and live better. So in our thoughts and prayers, let us remember those that are away from home today, serving in other countries, protecting all that we are and all that we do. The greatest way to honor them is by living and enjoying our lives to the fullest and being all that we can be as Americans. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, happy 240th Independence Day, and may God bless America.